What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a review. If you saw my last video, I'm in the same setup. I'm filming two videos today because it's just easier. Anyways, I've got a review for you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna share my thoughts. So if you guys have seen my videos, you know that I bleach my hair constantly and a little too much in my opinion. So I really have to invest in products like shampoo and conditioners. I find that when I use shampoo and conditioner from the drugstore, my hair becomes like hay. It really feels like plastic. So I kind of have to pay a little extra when it comes to shampoo and conditioner. So I saw this actually a few years back. Was it a year or 2 years? I'm not sure. Guy Tang, which he's super known here on YouTube. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard about Guy Tang. He's a hair colorist, a hairstylist. This guy is a genius. He's a master. His balayage technique is just revolutionary, and ombres, this guy can do anything. He can really transform someone's hair, but he's a true artist in my opinion. And recently he came out with his own hair care products. So he did hair dyes, I believe bleach. He came up with some hair tools as well, and he launched his own shampoo and conditioner. So I always gravitate towards products made by professionals like him, because obviously he knows everything about hair and about how maintaining hair, to get or keep your hair looking healthy. So I thought I would try it, and I have my first impressions. I will never forget it. And I've been using this for a month or so, or over a month now. I think over maybe 2 months now. And I'm gonna tell you guys if it's worth it or not, because they are expensive. I believe I got the liter ones because value purposes, it's better to purchase the liter than, I don't know, the smaller bottle. Anyways, I'm gonna start with the shampoo. So this shampoo, first of all, I have to change the pump because mine came broken, which was a little annoying, but whatever. It's a very thick consistency. It feels almost like conditioner on. And when I first tried it out, I was like, oh no. I think I just wasted my money over here. And the thing about the consistency, it smells amazing. Really like the scent. The thing is, it's like, because it's like a conditioner, like a thick formula, it's really hard to spread around evenly. So if you focus the product on your crown, you kind of have to go with more product to get to the back. But I don't know, shampoo to me is shampoo. I know there's a lot of people that only use shampoo, that they don't need conditioner, and I'm not one of those people. I need conditioner, otherwise my hair looks like a mop. So thoughts, after using it, I did see that my blonde was more vibrant. I have to say, once you rinse off the shampoo, your hair feels very like dry, like it needs conditioner, it needs like a hydrating mask. And I think it's because it really strips off like dirt, all of those, I don't know, product buildup that you have on your hair. So I immediately have to use shampoo. That's the only thing, but I think it does a great job when it comes to removing all that gunk that builds up, because it leaves my hair looking super vibrant. And when I style my hair, that's when I see the difference. So I enjoy the shampoo. I don't think it's something that I've never tried before in my life. I don't think that it's the product that you should buy. It's okay. Would I repurchase it? I'm like yes and no. I don't know. I mean, if I compare it to, I don't know, Pantene shampoo from Walmart, I guess it's better, but it's not something that I will depend on forever. You know what I mean? I can get away with not purchasing the shampoo. So I mean, it's okay. That's all I have to say about shampoo. The conditioner, however, now I was really expecting a lot from this conditioner. Like, I mean, if you dye your hair, if you're blonde, if you have bleach all over your head, you know how dry your hair is. And I actually need all the hydration I can get. I cannot live without hair oil, otherwise, again, my hair is so dry, you guys. It's lifeless, dull, there's no shine. I really have to pay attention to every product that I put on my hair because of the bleach that I have. So I was really expecting a lot, like I said, from the conditioner. Now, the first time I put it on, first of all, the scent is okay. To me, it smells like melted plastic. It doesn't smell like the shampoo for some reason. I don't know, but I mean, it does linger, so I guess it's fine. The only thing is, so my hair is super fine and it gets knots like crazy. Like if I go outside and it's super windy, I get all kinds of knots here in here. And I really need a conditioner that will detangle my hair easily. That's one of the things that, it's ride or die. I really need that from a conditioner. If it doesn't do that, I never buy it again. So when I first put it on, and after massaging it, I started feeling like my hair was getting smoother and smoother. So I apply that all over my head. Like, and I cannot only focus on the ends because I get like super knot, like I get knots here as well. So I have to be able to brush my hair once I'm done with my shower. So I put it on and I leave it for like, I don't know, as long as I, you know, finish my, I don't know, facial thing or whatever. Anyways, so now, first impressions, again, I was like, oh no, I think I spent this money for nothing. So I have kind of like a routine when I use conditioner. So when I'm about to brush, when I'm about to rinse off the conditioner, I always go very gently with a comb. And I try to spread out the conditioner all over very gently until I have no knots. And I have to say that it does leave my hair silky smooth. And after a while, I kind of grew, like my love for it grew more and more. For the reason being is that it really detangles my hair. My hair feels amazing when when I'm in the shower and I have the conditioner on. Honestly, my hair just falls very nicely. It just hydrates the hair very nicely. Why am I saying very nicely a lot? Anyways, and I mean, now I like it now after maybe 2 months of using this conditioner because it really helps with detangling my hair. It leaves my hair super, super hydrating. And when I style my hair, you guys, that's where I've been seeing the difference. When, I mean, my hair feels shiny, silkier, so, you know, all that good stuff. And I have to say, now I like this conditioner. Now, if again, if you'd ask me, would you buy it again? I don't know. I think I would like to try something else. Now that I've seen it, now that I've tried it, I mean, my hair is looking beautiful. I cannot complain. Like, it really feels, my hair feels different from, I mean, if I were to use drugstore shampoo and conditioner, I mean, I really get two different results. So I have it now. I'm using it. I love it. But I don't think I would buy it again. And it's because, you know, I was expecting so much from this conditioner and shampoo because he's in the field. I mean, he's a professional hairstylist, colorist. I mean, he has experience with hair. I really expected more, unfortunately. That's all I have to say. I didn't see much reviews on these two on YouTube, which was weird. So that's why I thought I would share my thoughts. And again, for the type of hair, once again, for the type of hair that I have, it doesn't do amazingly. That's the only thing. If you have like virgin hair, I'm pretty sure this would do amazing on you. But on me, because obviously my hair is like over bleached, I mean, I really need good products to hydrate my hair. It was just fine. But I guess I never said the name. Hashtag my confident shampoo. And the conditioner is hashtag my confident conditioner. What does it say here? Color securing conditioner, color securing shampoo. So it's for hair that has been dyed, obviously. But again, I wasn't really blown away. So I hope this helps people that might be interested on getting these products. If you still want to try it and check it out for yourselves, honestly, by all means, go ahead. I often do the same when I try to see as many as reviews I can, but if I feel like I really want to try it and see it how the product does for myself, like I literally go and buy it, and then I get my own results, my own opinions, and so yeah, so but still I love Guy Tang, and I'm a huge fan, so I don't want to be here and start talking badly about his products, because I know how much work is involved when creating a hair care line, and effort and money. So I know it's his babies, but I just wanted to share my thoughts with you guys once again for the type of hair that I have. So if you guys have any questions, please write to me in the section below. I will link some links down below if you guys are interested. I'll put that in the description box. So yeah. So that is it for today's video, you guys. Thank you again so much for watching, and stay safe, and I hope to see you in my next video.